Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chime's customer support chat. Alright, the first step is to access the customer support chat. You can just do that by opening the Chime mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account. And step 2 is to navigate to the support section. So just tap settings in the bottom navigation bar and then choose the help option. And then you can select the contact us option to get there. Now the step 3 is to initiate a chat session. So you can just select the chat with us option, and then you want to type your question or concern in the chat window and tap the submit button, the send button, to submit your message. The fourth step is to communicate with a support agent. So just wait for a response from a Chime support agent to respond to your message, and then you can ask questions, provide information, and resolve your issue with the support agent. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chime's customer support chat. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.